Okay, guys. If you saw the video that I did earlier on this morning, you'll see I scalped 9 pips out of pound JPY. I'm going to do it again because the premise is coming in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're looking to probably buy here, but ideally I want it to pull back on itself. So I'm going to put a pending order in for 9 pips and then follow it, just simply because it's roughly ready. There we go. And we're in earlier on, and there's the 45 quid that we make. The markets are a little bit testy at the moment, so that's the only thing that I've got running, and away we're ready to rock and roll. So that's the premise of this. Now, it's gone into market. Happy days. Now, I've also, just to help the guys in the squads, so make a few pennies, maybe cover that subscription, I've dropped it into here and told them exactly what it is that I'm doing. So 5 to 9, we're looking to buy this thing over the next hour. And then in the trade tracker, there's a breakdown of exactly what's going to happen in this trade and what I'm looking for. It's a fair way to do things. I do it all the time. There's one here and one there, so I'm working it out there, and then I do it again sort of under here where they can see it. See, go in. All right, now I'll do that for them, and then the idea is they can follow along what's happening. It's not a signal service, it's a hand-holding service. There is a difference, okay, because every trade should be your own. Anyway, but that's what we're doing. The premise of this trade, if we pull this out to the hour, is it's actually pulling against this particular move. It's held above the 50%, and it's pushing in and around this level here, the 76. So if it's going to flush it, it's going to push up a little bit. It'll come to here, but it's a bit risky. So I'm only putting a scalping target in. Now I am prepared to average into this particular move here. So if I have to, I can put a couple of additional orders in and then push it back up again. But let's see what happens with it. Never mind what's for breakfast, you lot. We having bananas in here, but I've just switched on. Shut up! I've just switched on the other camera, so you lot are now on camera watching this. All right, right. Squad, camera, everybody say hello. It's just cashed out, boys. It's just cashed out. Happy days, happy days, happy days. Oh, that was very nice. That was very nice. That was very nice. 140 quid, kids. Right, let me finish this video and I'll come back and catch us in a bit. How do I switch this thing off?
Take it.
Actually, I don't know how to switch it off. This is me being technically inapt. Do I have to press me?
Just disconnect.
Ah, there we go. Okay. Right. Okay, boys and girls. Sorry, I was having a bit of merriment with the guys in the bar because we can log on live and talk, and obviously we were shouting and bawling about this trade. So, taking the mickey out of Haircut, Maxwell, Lee, and Casper. So a little salute to you lot, helping me get through this. Right, okay. Oh, shit. I was getting all excited this morning. This is my day done. So just make certain I've got my tickets off. Tickets is off. And there you go. So it's the first scalp and then the second. I did get into the madness criteria. And the premise of the trade was the continuation of the move and looking for it to flush. Now, if it's going to flush before it returns back to trend, it would be a quick snap, and that's what I was looking for. Now, this could easily roll over and carry on back down because this is becoming stretched. But that's one of the arts of trading. One of the arts of trading is knowing when to get out. You can hold on indefinitely, and sometimes you're going to hit these big swingers. The problem is, if you hit the big swinger, you're going to have multiple losses as well. Well, why not just trade conservative? Have a conservative loss, conservative win, but make certain they are consistent. And that's what we try and achieve on a daily basis. So, happy days, happy days. Scruff's a happy boy. It's Friday. Going to enjoy the weekend. And I've just paid for it. So, if you like this sort of thing, do subscribe to the channel. It genuinely helps me out. If you want to help yourself out, come along to the squad and I'll show you exactly how to do that. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.